welcome to your Vahchef mini-me videos. Short, simple and super tasty. Call it okra, call it Bhendi. I think this is one of the beautiful vegetables. That is the reason I think they call it lady fingers. I love lady fingers. I'm going to show you excellent Bhendi curry today. So for making this Bhendi curry, cut okra into medium size. In a pan, add some sesame seed oil. And also add these okra pieces and shallow fry. A lot of people I've seen they over fry them till they discolor. No, try to keep the color as good as possible. Take them and keep it on the side. And in the same pan, add some mustard seeds. When they crackle, add cumin seeds, the red chillies, the curry leaves and the Urad Dal. Just make sure that the Urad Dal is slightly colored. Add finely chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. Slowly let it cook till the tomatoes are a little bit soft. Add pinch of turmeric and red chilli powder and also add a little bit of salt. Add some coriander powder. Now mix it well. Already we added tomatoes, but a little bit of tamarind pulp will make it even more tasty. Now add some water and let it cook to 7-8 minutes. You want the masalas to cook, you want the tomatoes to be nicely mashed up. After getting that nice consistency, to enhance the taste, we're going to add some coconut paste. Just mix it well and add the fried okra into it. Now we're going to let it simmer just for a few minutes. Dear friends, this is a very easy dish. Let's go ahead and enjoy this okra recipe. There was a time a person had two lovers and both of them are special. For the okra, the sourness either from the tomato or tamarind is so irresistible that it wants both of it. So in the Columbus, we add a lot of tamarind. In the curries, we add the tomatoes and make. But here, we did the two love story. We added a little bit of tamarind and a little bit of tomato. That's what makes this very special. And these okras, they get juicy and okras are super tasty. Wow. Some of this garlic is what I fall in love with. Dear friends, make it, eat it, because this is absolutely every bite heavenly. Keep saying whatever and enjoy great food.